Hello, I missed you guys. So today I wanted to show you how to make Play-Doh. This is a fun recipe that you can do at home. It's something that I did when I was a kid. I would make this with my mom. So a recipe is basically a set of directions that you need to make something, and it's going to include a list of ingredients. For our Play-Doh recipe, our ingredients are flour, salt, cream of tartar, water, vegetable oil, and food coloring. And you can see I have it all set out here so that we can make our Play-Doh. So we're going to start with flour. When you measure flour, you want to just kind of scoop it in lightly. You don't want to pack it or smash it down in there because you don't want your recipe to turn out dry. So like if you're using flour for cookies or bread, if you get too much in there, it can make it dry. For Play-Doh, it won't make as much difference, but then you can take your utensil and level off the top. So I have exactly 1 cup of flour. I'm gonna put that in my pan, along with, I have 1/2, so you can see this is half the amount of salt. I'm going to measure my salt. I want to go right to the very top. I'm going to add that in. And then my next ingredient is cream of tartar. And I've already measured 2 teaspoons. So I have the teaspoon measuring spoons. I'm going to add that in. These are all of my dry ingredients. And if you use, I have a mirror here to help you see inside the pot. So I'm going to just kind of stir that together. And now I need to add my wet ingredients. So I have 1 cup of water. And then I have 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we need our food coloring. And today I'm going to use blue since that is our school color. So I will add a couple of drops, depending on exactly what color you want. You can add more or you could add less. You can choose the color. I'm going to turn my burner on. This is a part that you're going to need your mom or your dad to help you with because I want to make sure that you're being safe and you would be able to help measure the ingredients though. So one thing I want to show you, when I was measuring the ingredients, I had 2 different types of measuring cups. So this type of measuring cup is used to measure liquid ingredients. This type of measuring cup would be used to measure the dry ingredients. We're going to just kind of keep stirring. You want to kind of cook it on a medium flame. And you're going to stir it and cook it until it gets thick. Now we added cream of tartar. I don't know if any of you have ever heard of that, but that's an ingredient that will help to make your Play-Doh last. So I have made it before when I did not have cream of tartar. I made it and it will turn out, but it's much more sticky and it will not last very long. So it's better if you have the cream of tartar because then it will last for a few weeks and you'll have the Play-Doh to make all your different creations. So I don't know if you can see in the mirror, you can see that we're starting to get thicker pieces. So we're gonna just kind of keep cooking and stirring. Now if you wanted to, you could make different colors. So we have, with a set of food coloring, you get the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. It does come with 1 secondary color, which is green. And I don't know if you remember, the other secondary colors are orange and purple. So if you wanted orange Play-Doh, you could mix the red and the yellow. If you wanted purple Play-Doh, you would mix blue and red. Okay, you can see my Play-Doh is getting very close here. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. Now for your speaking assignment this week, if you want to go on Flipgrid, you can talk about something that you made. And I want you to make sure that you include the proper sequence. This is the one word we hadn't talked about yet. So sequence is doing things in the right order. And you can tell me the exact order of how you made something. Okay, so we're gonna dump this out on the plate. You're gonna wanna kind of let it cool. And then, it's a little hot right now, but now you have Play-Doh. So you can roll it out. You can practice making different letters, spelling words. I'm gonna make one little word here for you guys. Hi. All right, so that is how you make Play-Doh. I hope you have a chance to make some with your family, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.